Carplay and Android Auto with voice control. This double-din car stereo compatible with Carplay and Android Auto, which allows you to get voice control like Siri/Google Assistant to help you access your phone functions including calls, map navigation, music, messages, etc. while you stay focused on the road. Free dash cam and AHD backup camera. You can get a free dash cam and AHD backup camera. The dash cam is equipped with a 150 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens and the resolution of 1280 x 720p. Micro SD card is not included. We recommend using a SanDisk brand class 10 or above. Max support 32 GB with FAT32 file system. The AHD camera has ultra-wide viewing angle of 170 degrees and fully waterproof, HD night vision design which helps to park more safely and easily. Clear call sound HD mic, built-in noise-canceling mic and 3.5mm external mic jack provide clear call sound in noisy environment. Accurate voice control can also be carried out while driving. You can chat freely while driving. HD touchscreen mirror link, 7-inch universal size car radio with resolution 1024 x 600 and support 1080p video playback. Sync your smartphone screen to the big screen via mirror link, let you see more clearly while driving and enjoy the features such as movies for you, your family and friends. Check your car. Our car stereo is the US standard size which compatible with most brands of car model. If you find that our stereo size does not match your dash size, please purchase a suitable dash kit. Most brand dash kits use 173/98mm opening metra, pack, skosh dash kits, etc., perfectly matching our car stereo, suitable for most cars and easy to install. Important tips. 1. Please read the instructions before installation and it is recommended to install at a professional car audio shop. 2. Please confirm that your dash size, factory wiring harness and radio antenna adapter are suitable before ordering. If not, you need to purchase after assembly accessories suitable for the car model. 3. The unit is not Android system. Top reviews from the United States. Impressed. I was worried about swapping out the old radio with one that uses CarPlay and has cameras on my 2006 Honda Pilot LX. The worry came with getting the right SWC steering wheel controller to interact with the new radio and getting a harness to connect to the old wiring clip to the new radio harness. The items I used with the purchase of the radio are below. Then I was also worried which dash kit I needed so that it will fit seamless. As long as you can follow the wiring diagram and handy with the car mod, you should have it done in a day to day and a half. As you can see from the pic, it looks like it's OEM. I should have done this years ago. No matter who used the car, iPhone or Android, it works perfectly. The support staff were awesome. For the price you can't go wrong.